Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up new laptop with Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my laptop, and first thing first, you need to go to your setting to set up your laptop. You can go to the start menu first and then select the settings, and in the settings we'll be able to set up our new laptop. The first one I'm going to set up is the personalization. I'm going to personalize my display. I'm going to go to the personalization, and here we can personalize our background, colors, themes, and also the lighting. And I'm going to change my background. I'm just going to choose background from my device. I'm going to click on browse photos. Okay, and I'm going to go to the download folder, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, choose picture, and I'm going to use it guys. All right, and now my background has been changed. Wait, I'm going to check it. Okay, as you can see that the background has been changed, and I'm going to go back, and you can also customize the theme color. I'm just going to go back to the personalization and select colors, and for the colors I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and now the theme color has been changed as well. Okay, and the second one, I recommend you to check your Windows Update. You can go to the Windows Update, and you have to check the updates available to download. If the updates are available to download, you can download and install, so you will get the latest version of the Windows. And I recommend you to activate this feature as well. Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. You can activate this feature. Alright guys, and that's all the tips from me for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.